What's up, everyone? We're gonna do an install today. What's going on over here? Got some new coilovers over here. I bought some cheap ones, so I had to buy some new ones. That ride was terrible. The guider. Wait. Let's see if she's in. Yeah, she's in. Alright, we're gonna remove these terrible coilovers. I don't want to say what brand. Ask me in the comments. I bought them used, so I don't know. I don't know if I could give you a good review on used ones. Got some JICs. Alright, I'm gonna get to work. Alright. Just enough to get the tire up. Alright. Keep looking with a little adjust the camber outerwear. Alright. There's the old ones. If you can see it in the shadow. There we go. I might have to use a bigger one. There's the old ones. Look how terrible. See, did you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Out with the old. That's really nice. Good morning, everyone. Installed the front half of the coilovers last night, so now I gotta do the rears. Alright, I gotta get a new seat. I'm gonna take apart the rear. Just take off the panels. Just as easy. Out comes that. And just gotta remove the spare tire. This comes off. And that's it. You get to the top of the struts. See, I'm always losing tools, and usually from previous things I worked on, I find this. See what else is in there. Hopefully I find money. Pretty simple. Just move that panel. Those two bolts. And then down. Remove the wheel and that's it. Tire comes off. Just that bottom bolt. That's it, man. I already removed the top too. Simple as that. I just gotta jack this up to get it lined up there. Getting my gimbal all dirty. Need gloves. And just tighten it on top and that's it. Now, let's see. I think I have to adjust the height. Looks good. Now the other side. Out with this junk. I don't know if they were just old. It's bought them for $100, so I don't know. Didn't like them at all. Just gotta line it up. That's it, she's bolted up on top, bottom, put the tire back on and we good. A Canon guy, so get a GoPro. Alright, we're gonna see how it feels. Other coilovers were terrible.